So this was the question which was asked in GATE 2010. The degree sequence of a simple graph is the sequence of the degrees of the nodes in the graph in decreasing order. So I think that you know what is degree sequence. Which of the following sequences cannot be the degree sequence of any graph? So basically this question is asking which cannot be the degree sequence. So we will use here the Heval-Hakimi theorem that we have read. So we are going to use that in this question, and what it says that firstly we will be checking the first one, that is I will take the degree sequence, that is 7, then 6, then 5, 4, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So what Heval-Hakimi says that firstly arrange the numbers in the decreasing order. So they are arranged, and now I will cut one number, and whatever the value it is containing, I will decrease the number of 1 from number of elements of that value. That is that when I will cut 7, I will look for 7 elements after this. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 elements are there. So I will decrease 1 from them. So this is 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, and it will be 0. Now I will see that if it is in decreasing order, yeah, it is. So now I will cut 5 and look for 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will decrease 1 from them, 3, 2, 2, 1 and 0. I will again look that if they are in decreasing order. Yes, they are in decreasing order, and I will cut 3 and look for 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, and decrease 1 from them. Okay, now I will cut 1 and look for 1 element and decrease it by 1. So I'm getting now 0 in all of the places that I have cut. So I can say that this graph will exist. It is not creating any problem. So first point is valid, and I have to find which cannot be degree sequence. So it can be the degree sequence, so it is valid. Now we will be looking at the second point. Now we will look at the second point, and second one is 6, 6, 6, 6 and 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay, 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay, now we will be looking at this. So firstly we will be arranging it in decreasing order. It is there in decreasing order, so we don't have any problem. I will cut 6 and look for 6 element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we'll decrease 1 from them. So it will be 5, will be 5, it will be 5, 2, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, now I will arrange them in decreasing order. So it is 1, it is 2, so 2 will come here and 1 will come here. Now it is in decreasing order. I will cut 5 and look for 5 element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and decrease 1 from them. So 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, and it will remain as 1. Now they are in decreasing order. Okay, so now cut 4 and look for 4 element, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and decrease 1 from them, 3, 0, 0, 0, and it will remain as 1. So they are not in decreasing order. I will arrange them 3, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now I will cut 3, look for 3 elements and decrease 1 from them. So it will be 0, minus 1, minus 1. So here we are getting negative values. So that means that this is not valid. First one was valid and this is not valid. Now we will be looking for third point. Now let's take the third point. So third one is 7, 6, 6, 4, 4, 3, 2 and 2. Okay, now firstly we will see that they are in decreasing order. Yes, they are in decreasing order. Now I will cut 7, look for 7 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, decrease 1 from them. Three, two, 1 1. I will look that they are in decreasing order. Yes, they are in decreasing order. Delete 5, look for 5 elements, decrease 1 from them. 2 1 0 and 1. They are not in decreasing order, so I will be putting them in decreasing order first. So 4 2 2 1 1 0. Okay, now I'll cut 4 and look for 4 elements, 1 2 3 and 4, decrease 1 from them. 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, I will cut 1 and decrease, look for 1 element and decrease 1. So they are all 0 now, so that means the third one is also valid. Now we have got the answer, the first and the third one. So first and the third one are valid, and in the question we have asked that cannot be the degree sequence. So first and third are valid and second is not valid, so this cannot be the answer, because this cannot be answer, and second is not valid, so D is the answer.